This conference will now be recorded.
Fine. So yesterday we learned about master planning, like against demand automatically if you run this master planning or net requirement process, automatically one planned purchase order was created. Okay, and then how to do it, everything we saw. Today we'll try to understand little bit about production process. Just give me a second. So if I open the modules, so you are going to learn a little bit about this one, discrete manufacturing or process manufacturing. What is this manufacturing process? How to do it? Let me show you. This is high level picture you are learning now. So let me go to the application. Just give me a minute. It's loading now, application. Fine. So this manufacturing process, actually discrete manufacturing, process manufacturing, lean manufacturing, all these three together, it is available here in production control. In this production control, this entire process available. Okay. Manufacturing process and master planning. Master planning is yesterday you saw cost management and asset management. Let me show you where it is available. So here cost management. Actually in this cost management, in 2012 there is no cost management module, but in D365 what Microsoft did it, this is not a new module, but why it was incorporated means some of the fields or some of the menus are available in inventory management, some of them are in production control. They have separated and they made it one module called cost management. Okay, this is made like separate module called cost management. In 2012 it is not available, in D365 it is available, but this is not from here. A new module, it is some of the forms here, inventory management role. Okay, are you able to hear me clearly? Are you able to hear me? Any voice problems?
Little bit, sir.
Yeah, it was breaking sometime.
Yeah, actually there is a network issue for 1 minute, then it was rectified immediately. I hope it is clear now. Am I right? Okay, fine. So if it is any like network issue, I will ping in the WhatsApp group. Okay, the reason behind, sometimes because of continuous, depending on this networks only, sometimes we are getting some network problems. Okay, so if it is any problem in voice, please ping in the WhatsApp group. Otherwise I will ping, please monitor, like, and then please wait for a minute. Okay, fine, let me proceed now. Next one is cost management. We understood. Asset management is a new module. Asset management is a new module introduced in D365 2 years back. Okay, this is a new module completely. Fine, I'm just telling you the production process, production module. That means this is certification is MB320. MB320, it is SCM manufacturing. This is the certification. This is a separate course. Okay, just we are learning high level picture in this one, yesterday and today. So let me go to now production control, collapse all, production orders, all production orders. Here, look at this one. There are two things. One is new production order, new batch order. New production order, new batch order. New production order means discrete manufacturing. New batch order means process manufacturing. Okay, just I will give you a high level picture. In AX 2009, only discrete manufacturing available. Only discrete manufacturing available. At that time, process manufacturing is a third party ASV. Okay, later Microsoft purchased that product and it was merged here and it was called as made as batch number. Okay, so production order is for discrete manufacturing, batch order is for process manufacturing, and the lean manufacturing means it is separate. Kanban, here it is there. Kanban schedule board, Kanban related, it is lean manufacturing, lean production flow. Okay, this is related to lean manufacturing. So in this there are three. So it is looks like very simple, but it is a huge subject related to this manufacturing. Discrete manufacturing, process manufacturing, and lean manufacturing is a big subjects. Okay, so then what is this batch number? What is this? Let me write down. This is for this one, it is production order, and for process manufacturing it is batch order. Okay, let me take a duplicate. Let me go to release product. Let me show you the basic fundamental change. Okay, so it is opening. Parallelly, I am clicking on new batch order. I'm clicking on new batch order. From the drop down, you are able to see very few items. P001, P004, P0011, and P0111. Only 4. The reason behind only 4 why it is showing, whereas batch order, so whereas production order, I'm sorry, production order, it will show many items. Okay, so the reason behind, let me go to released product, product information management, products, released products, Okay, in this released products. So if you look at this one, engineer tab, for some items it is BOM is disabled now. Let me show you D001, D002. Just give me a second. So BOM details are enabled. Okay, so the reason behind for this is bill of material. This is bill of material. You know already like how to configure bill of material and everything. If it is a bill of material is configured, if it is BOM is configured, then that is production order, and it will show here. It will show you D001, D002 all. These are production orders. Okay, and if it is for batch number, it is P001. So if you look at this one P001, then BOM will be disabled and formula will be enabled. BOMs are disabled and formula is enabled. So this is formula also as like as BOM only. Formula is also as like as BOM. So if you look at this one, it is formula, and here the raw materials M00, 18, 19, 20 it is required to produce 180, 146.67 quantity. We need 200 quantity. To produce 293.33, we need 200. Like this it is there. And in this, there is extra information, co-products are available. So you can have extra screen which is not exist in BOM. This is co-products and co-product and byproduct. Co-product is another item which you are getting. Byproduct is scrap items. So example, co-product for manufacturing of biscuits, we need milk, sugar. From milk we will get butter. That butter is a co-product. That butter is a co-product. Understood? So this is extra. If it is a BOM, you will not find this co-products screen at all. You will not. Let me show you the BOM. That is the major difference between this one and that one. There are some more things also. Okay, so let me go to D001. Just give me a second. Look at this one. If it is a D001, if it is D001, if you go to BVM versions, so there is no extra, it is co-product screen. Co-product screen will not be visible for BVM. For P001, it is, if you go to formula versions, it is almost same, but little bit changes are there, some changes. Okay, co-products screen will be extra. Okay, and for manufacturing process, cost group is important. One of the important form is cost group, and one more, you need to understand if it is a manufacturing process, most important is costing sheet. So if you go to cost management, here you will find costing sheets. This is also most important for production consultant to learn this one. Costing sheet, look at this one. Learning costing sheet also most important. Learning costing sheet also most important. And one more, costing versions. This is also important. Okay, costing version is a small one. It's not a bigger one for the standard cost. Costing sheets also you need to learn. Okay, fine. Let me show you the production order process quickly, how it is. So I'm selecting D003 on item, D003. Okay, site and warehouse, it is populated automatically. And how many quantities? One, it was populated. Okay, so for production order process, there are two things important. One is bill of material, another one is route number. One is bill of material, another one is route number. These two are important. BVM and route number. BVM and route number, it is mandatory. And along with this one, you need to have all these things. Setups related to financial postings. Here, based on this setup, the financial postings will be updated, whether it is item and category, item and resource, and production groups. These are the three options available for financial postings. Okay, next I'm clicking on create. So 385 production order we are creating. Then so once production order is created, next one is estimate. And before this one, if you go to manage costs, and here if you click on view calculation details, it is empty. The calculation details are empty. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to production order, click on estimate. Click on estimate. Click on OK. Okay, If you click on OK estimates, then these buttons are enabled. Then these buttons are enabled. Now, if you go to manage cost, if you go to view calculation details, it will show you the calculation method. So in this, see, this is the final product D003. To produce this D003, we need item M001, item M002, M003, 4, 7. These are items required, and we need to process. This is through route. These are the operations 1211, 1225, 1221, 1222. These are the operations you need to execute. For these operations, this is the time, this is the price, and total amount is, these are the amounts, it is cost is incurring. And then output unit based, this is mission depreciation and internal logistics charges and labor cost. These are coming from costing sheet. From costing sheet, these are coming from route, and these are coming from BOM. This is BOM, this is route, and these are costing sheet. All these three combined together, the amount will be calculated, and the final price is 168.74 is the cost price for this producing D003. Of course, material cost is most important, and on top of that, there are some more costs incurred. One is route process. Route means, suppose cutting and painting or shouldering, anything, all these processes. And these are like override charges or overheading charges. Here, overhead charges, it will be incorporated. All these things together, this is the price. So the estimated cost price is updated, the estimation cost price. So here, overview costing, it will show you. So estimated cost and normal cost, now it is same, but if it is changed some realized cost, it will update here realized cost. Okay, and the same thing you can see from here, costing sheet. The breakup, you are getting clearly the breakup. This is material cost, this is labor cost, and this is overhead charges. All together, this is the amount. Total it is 168.74. So in this tab, you are going to learn all these balances. Fine. Let me close this one. Next one is, let me go to production order, release order. Before releasing, if you click on jobs, it is blank. No jobs are there. If you click on release, okay, then click OK. Okay, then if you click on release, let me go to jobs. It will show you jobs. Jobs are created. Jobs are created. These are from the route. From the route, jobs are created. One is primary, like this is process. One process, it is P00 production order, and this is a job. Okay, something it is we are doing. So step by step, this one, after this completion of this step, it should be processed this one. After completion of this process, it should be processed this one. After completion of this process, this should be completed. These are the sequence steps. should be completed. This is actual production people, the actual production people, production line operators, they need to execute these things. They need to execute all these things. Okay, just give me a second. Fine. So the jobs are created. The jobs are created. So the actual production people, they need to execute their work. They need to do their tasks. Next one is start. So if you click on start, before going to start, I'm canceling this one. I'm not executing. So before going to start, if I go to view details, view tab, and journals, if you click on all journals, if you click on all journals, it is empty. There is nothing, blank. Now I'm clicking on start button. So production order process start button. Then if you click on OK, then what happens? If you look at this one, message details, look at this one, picking list journal, posting picking list journal, posting route card job updated. What it means? So if you go to view tab, click on journals, all journals, there are two journals got created. One is picking list. This is for, if you click on here, or if you click on lines, then the raw material was moved from normal warehouse to production area. So we have collected M001, M002, M003, M004 and M007 material. We have collected from normal warehouse. Now it is in the production. So the material is in work in progress. The material is in work in progress. It was processed. Give me a second. And next one is select next one. This is a route process also posted, route card. Route card also posted. So the processes 1211, 1225, 1221, 1222 was process created, means earlier it is release means it was informed. Now the actual business people, they need to, I mean to say production line operators, they need to start work on this process immediately. Okay, job is posted, job route card was posted. Next. Fine. Next one is the job cards. If you go to production order, all jobs, still it is waiting status. So people need to complete their task. How they will complete their task means, so they will have in the production order process, production control, collapse all. So manufacturing execution, here job card device, they will enter their personal number and they will log in and they will do the work, actual work. Okay, this is all are linked to HR module. Okay, so this is actually job. So this is resource. This resource may be employee, may be missionary, may be location, may be a tool. So operations or routes, jobs is linked with resources. So here, if you click on new resource, so here you will find the resource type: vendor, human resources, mission, tool, location, resource group, facility. These many types. Usually we'll use human resources or missionary. In rare cases, we'll use remaining all these things. Vendor, how it will be pictured means, suppose for painting, you are not going to do painting in your in-house manufacturing industry. You are giving outsourcing and it is service, external service you are taking. Then we need to select vendor. Okay, like this you can use. Fine. Resource and resource group is most important in the production process. Fine. Now, usually they will do from this job card. Using this job card, like manufacturing execution, job device. This, if it is employee resource, I'm sorry. If it is a resource, means an employee, then here worker details are there. Resource is linked with worker because you have used the type human resource, then it was linked to worker. This worker will have one personal number. This employee, this is 500, like 000501 means this is worker employee number. If you go to HR, this is HR related. Okay, here there will be personal details. Here somewhere else the personal details will be there. Okay, this will have some personal number, identification number. From that he can, usually what he will do, they will do thumb impression. Usually it will be a thumb impression. Let me try with this personal number 000501. I did not remember the like job card. So badge ID required. So for this there will be badge ID. Fine. So the actual process is they will select the badge ID and they will enter the badge ID and they will enter the password. Otherwise, they will enter their thumb impression. Their thumb impression. Yeah, here time registration. Yes. In this you will find. So this is badge ID 128 and password will be there. Okay, here they will. So it will be going inside. Okay. Okay, fine. This is related to time zone, time related setups are not there. That is the reason it is asking like this. Otherwise, it will be asked for your like I mean to say password and all those things. Okay, let me click on escape. Oh. Give me a click. 128. Login. So here start job. So click OK, and then completed. Actually, this will be executed by actual production line operators. Okay, now if you go to this production order, okay, if you go to the job, refresh, so this will be completed. This will be completed. Give me a minute. Next job, I'm verifying. So production order is P00104. Start job. Let me end. Like this, it will be completed. So if you look at this one, it will show you the P00 production order number. Okay, so here like this, he will do the production process. I don't want all these things now. So these jobs should be completed. This job should be completed by production consultants. Production line operators are, they will complete their job by going into this production order number, and they will complete this process. Then once it is completed, so let me do in some other way. I need to complete it. I don't want to do this line operators work as of now. So I can have one more option instead of this one. Job card, click on new. This is another way, like shortcut I'm doing. So the production order number is 385. So entire 2-3 months course you are learning in pick one day, 1 hour only. Okay, just high level picture I'm showing you. This is completely 2 months course content, 2 to 2.5 months. Let me copy paste this number, P00 385. Okay, click OK. From the drop down we need to select. It is taking time, so that is why I have entered, copy pasted. Now click on new. So enter the resource code, this process, it will be updated automatically. Click on new, next process 6012, next one, next one. Instead of doing this job by production operators, I am entering here. So let me enter 0.25 and 0.25, 0.25, something I have entered. Now I'm posting this one. Click OK. The jobs should be completed by production line operators. Okay, done. I have completed through workaround. This is not the actual process. You need to do from normal production line operators should be completed. Now, if you verify the jobs, so it is ended. The jobs are ended. It is interrupted, no problem. Something it is there. So actual process is from here it should be completed. Okay, it was interrupted in between. Fine, but jobs are completed. Suppose if all are should be ended properly, but some are it is interrupted something. Now next step is report as finished. Report as finished means here start means, let me explain you. Start means we are collecting raw material, and work in progress is progress updating in the system financially, means raw material value will be decreased, work in progress value will be increased. Okay, now report as finished means work in progress will be nullified and the finished goods BOM, that is pen, this is pen cap, pen body, pen refill, will be decreased inventory value and work in progress inventory value will be updated. Now report as finished, if you click on, then work in progress will be reversed and here it will be updated with the end means, sorry, report as finished means pen inventory value will be increased. Pen inventory value will be increased. I'm clicking on this one, means final product is ready. That's what here. Okay, here I'm taking accept errors because there are two jobs are interrupted. So I'm accepting errors and I'm proceeding. Fine. Now, once it is report as finished is updated, if you go to view, if you go to all, you will find one more journal created. One more journal got created, like finished report as finished. Earlier, the first one is picking list and route card is posted. These two, when you are clicking on start, and this is job cards related, it was posted. Now report as finished. Report as finished means the final product. The pen in our example, pen cap, pen body, pen refill combined together is pen. So this is pen. The final product is ready. On hand inventory value will be increased. On hand inventory quantity it will be increased. Next, end means, next step is end. End means it is financial postings also concluded. Financial postings also will be updated. Let me click on OK. Then it is financial postings will be updated. This is about production order process. Anyone has any questions in this process? Of course, this production order process is separate module. It is MB320, SCM manufacturing, separate course content. It is a big subject. Fine. Anyone has any questions, please? Are you able to follow everything? I hope it is clear. Okay, quickly let me show batch number. Same batch number, let me show you. The same procedure, there is no new things here. P001. Then if it is a P001, formula and root. Okay, if you go to root, you will understand root number is the most important. One is formula process, that is formula, one is root. So in this root, we have operations. Look at this one. These are the operations. Primary is mix and heat, then mix and operations, dispense, dispense operations, curing, time cut, time operations. Something in the production process, whatever you are doing, those activities on this P001 and P004. For these roots, for these two materials, these are the operations will be executed. These are the different operations. Okay, these operations will have resources. In this, you will find resources. 1 second. Resource requirements. This is a resource requirement. Okay, resource is linked with employee. All these are interlinked a lot. So root is important. Some people they will pronounce route. Some people they will pronounce root. This is related to production process. Okay. So one is BYM and root, or formula and root. Fine. I'm clicking OK. Create. So once again the same procedure. If you go to manage cost, view calculation details, it will be blank. Nothing will be there. If you click on, okay, this is related to previous product, previous one. Give me a minute. I'm sorry why it is coming this one. This is linked to P. Give me a minute. It is batch number. Give me a second. So this one is created. Just now we have created B 000103 item P001. If we open this item, this batch order, then if you go to view calculations, it will be blank. The same procedure, it will be blank. If you click on estimates, if you go to production order, see, once it is, while creating only, this is batch number and production order. But once it is created, the tab name is from production order only, process, estimate, the same procedure. Click OK. Okay, next release. So jobs will not be created before this one. Once if you click on release, then jobs will got created. The same procedure. So jobs will be created. So the production line operators, they need to execute their process. These are the different tasks should be executed by production line operators. Okay, now click on start. Before start, if you want to see, you can see the view details. There is no journals created. One is picking list journal, one is job card, root card journal, one is job card journal. So no journal got created. So there will be 4 journals. One is picking list, root card, job card, and then report as finished. Then all. So it should be created. But as of now, no jobs created. If you click on start, then automatically it will create. It will create journals. Let me click on OK. Okay, so then if you go to view, if you click on all, so job cards, journals created. One is picking list journal, one is root journal, same process. Now the jobs are not completed, so we need to complete the job. So for that, once again the same procedure. Let me take batch order number and let me create a new one and job card. So select the production number or batch number, click OK. So click on new. Now there are so many because 8 to 10, I think 8 jobs are there. I need to complete all these things. Actually, the line operators, they will do this process. Actually, they will act on this cutting and whatever the shaping, everything. The process will be executed by them. So all are coming or not, let me verify. Okay, so it was completed 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So let me enter some time. This is actual time they should enter, to be frankly. I'm entering roughly some time. I'm sorry. Something I have entered times. Okay, post. Click OK. Now, if you go to the batch orders, let me verify the jobs are ended properly or not. Okay, interrupted a lot. Fine. It should be processed properly. Okay. I'm doing something wrong in that one. That is the reason it is going some wrong. No problem. Now report has finished. Suppose the actual jobs are completed. The jobs are completed. Then here we can enter like accept errors and click OK. The same procedure. Look at this one, formula item along with that one, byproduct and product also came. So if you go to the view and report as finished journal or all journals, anything is fine. If I'm going to report as finished journal, earlier it is only one item, that is finished goods, but here you can see three quantity. One is co-product, one is byproduct, one is finished goods. Formula means the finished goods, actually what is the biscuit what you are expecting. Co-product means butter, extra we are getting. Otherwise, it is extra money from that one we are going to get extra money. Byproduct is a waste scrap item. Like that we are getting. Fine. Once it is completed, you can do the end process. During, if you click on end process means the financial postings are executed. Okay, for the entire 2 months course, you have just learned high level picture about production order process. I like production order and batch order. Batch order and production order. In 1 hour, I have given high level picture only. There are so many setups. There are so many things. It is a big subject. Okay, but you should know what is going on in this area. And what is going on in this area, you will understand next month. Just high level picture. And retail, I'm not expertise. Okay, I'm not expertise. Don't expect anything from here, retail. So we have touched here HR module also in this process, because HR linked, like these resources are linked with employee, employee is linked with the timesheets. Fine. If any quick questions, please let me know. Otherwise, we can wind up the session for today. From Monday onwards, it will be 6 to 8 o'clock. Please be prepared for 6 to 8 o'clock. You need to cooperate with me for sessions. It will be 6 to 8, at least 7 to 8 days. 7-8 days. It will be 6 to 8 o'clock. Okay. New link will be shared on day after tomorrow. I mean to say on Sunday evening or something. I will share with you the new link, and will continue on Monday 6 to 8. Okay. See you all. Bye bye.